In her pages regarding the psychoanalytic black and white drip paintings de Kooning states, he, Pollock, told me that his paintings were based on a series of questions that came up for him during analysis, such as, is my father really my father? Is my mother a whore? Am I damned to hell for wanting to fuck the family dog while she looks on? Does it make me gay? If I can at least get the head of my dick in my asshole. And do on occasion. Or even the conjecture that he was a CIA propagandist.